Hello everyone, welcome back to more RPG Maker 3. Alright. Of course I did work on this, do some things on this recently. I've been adding more stuff to it. It's going good, Axel. I just recently added you to the game, so... right, so... I love being a reference. Actually, there are two instances of you. Because I have to... Because I've turned it into a gate, so I need to... So currently I'm working the plains of Majesco. And this is the pass called Atlas Pass. And you have to go through here. There's no fences, so I had to make do with what I could. Kind of people going around it. There's no dialogue yet, but this is you. And you can go through here. You have to basically sort of send the player on an errand. Mr. Top Hat, thank you so much for the resub. Yeah, I don't know, I think Streamlabs is just completely broken now. I don't understand why. Thank you so much. Now you have the ability to mod the terrain into whichever way you want to do it. Zorator, welcome on in. But trying to get it looking good is not easy, that's the hard part. And then, yeah, so I had to create a second version, like a mirror version of it. Well, not mirror version, but like a reverse of it. So there's two instances of you in this sort of situation here. So you just come from this side. And then, yeah. Because I want this to be like this. It goes through. Oh, this is a pass. You got to go through the pass, and you have to basically go through the Midas mines, to basically get to a specific area where the player first encounters one of the six like key protectors. Key piece protectors, I should say. Yeah, but the mine was closed due to infestation of just all sorts of monsters. So basically, you're gonna have to. The only way to get through to the mine to the gate is by needing a pass, and the pass is only given to one of the ex-miners, which would be a town over here. There'll be a bit of water going through here, so it's like I don't know, a farming town instead. Right. Because this is the pass it's going to be going into. This is where we'll first meet the mine entrance exits here. Mine entrance is here. Go through it. Of course, I can do it whichever way I want to, I suppose. There's no real thing I like that, I suppose. I'm playing the new game Lost Soul Aside. I've never heard of that. Well, hopefully you're enjoying it. That, and then we want town, so hey, Hadrian Zorator and Iron Man. I don't know why he came in with a fun fact. And Night Movie Clips, welcome on in. It's an action RPG, just slashing through enemies with massive combos. Diablo was so much fun when I played Diablo, so I get it. Oh, that's an undo button. Oh, interesting. Right, so we need to make it somewhat grassy over here because of the water, so we need to make sure that the water sort of comes in where we can't see it, where you can't see it at all on any angle. You always played PAL games throughout your life, didn't you? Yes, because I live in a PAL region. Oh, so high. That's good. I like how you can't see where the water comes from. That's what I wanted to see. I wanted that. Sort of like the mystery of where the water is. Since I will Twitch my PS5, I'm now watching you on TV. Oh, nice. Alright, how's that? Oh, I like that. It's like a little inlet, just like appeared. Almost like an oasis in the air. In this. I wish there was a fishing mechanic in this game. There definitely is not. Definitely is not. Alright. Alright, there may be some little bits of forest on this side of the water. Nothing crazy. How's that? Okay, we can't. Oh, don't worry about missing stuff, because I tend to try and work on this like offline as well, because there's so much stuff I need to organize. So I usually just stream it on the Fridays as well, just as you can see what where I'm up to, really, I suppose. But basically, I've created this is the second place you have to visit. The first sort of area is basically complete. So you're coming to this area called Majesco to try and learn about the whereabouts of one of the protectors for a piece of the key for the door that leads you there to eventually lead you to the mines of the Midas mines. And yeah, and then there's gonna be a town down here. They gave up the mining for this because, well, the monsters overrun the mines, which are going to be over here. Let's go through here and come out here. That's where the mines end. Yeah. And then here will be a tower. Here will be a tower that'll where one of the first protectors are going to be, and then this will have our first boss inside of it. Do you overcharge your car? I can't change the price of individual items. I mean, I can, but I can't make specific things more expensive at other places. Actually, that's a lie. I can. My apologies. I could do if I wanted to. Alright, I need this to be a bit more up. Happened? How's it even worse? Oof. Okay. Ooh, that probably broke it completely, didn't it? Yes. Actually, it looks good. That looks really good. Apart from the obvious bad parts, but that's fine. We can get into those bad parts now. One dagger, please. Alright. Okay, that looks much better. I mean, I don't think people are gonna like completely critique me on how bad my landscaping skills are, but I'm sure they'd be fine with it. Too much water. Okay. Yes, I remember that review. That's hilarious. Oh, whoops. Wait, what did I do just then? I actually undid something else. What did I undo? No, I should be okay. It's right here, that top weird point. Hang on. It's fine. All good. Don't think I can just run around here, can I? Nope. Oh wait, that's just because of the preview walls. I can't preview through there. Okay, now I hate that. I hate that a lot. It's fine. We'll do all that. Okay, so now the next thing I need to do in this place is create a town. so we got where we are now. Right here, we've got. Oh, wait, no, not there, sorry. Oh, yes, there, but this is the main town where we start off with. It's right here. So, trying to figure out what kind of thing we're going to create. I hate how there's like grass on it, because we're going for like a whole like desert sort of vibe here, but now what should we name this town? This is another town, Yolanda Majesco. Also, like the place called Majesco. Maybe a town for it. Ooh, I like it. Avalon. Avalon. Pretty sure it's 200 that I gave that we're organising for it. Pom-pom. Damn. 500 gold. Damn. Okay. Never mind. Much more expensive than I thought it was going to be. All good. That's fine. Alright. Oops. Now I'll start organising. Actually, before I do anything else, back to Akitoshi. Join with Jesco, that's right. Raycat. Can this game really be completed though? It's freaking RPG Maker. It can be forever. Well, what my thing for this though, Raycat, welcome on in by the way, is I'm creating an RPG for anyone else to play really. So I'm spending all this time working on something that I will somehow figure out to get it off an actual memory card, put it online so anyone can download it and play it. So yeah, it'll be a fun little thing I'm enjoying. How big is the save file? Save file for this is Avalon. Where are you asleep? Oh, hang on. I need to get that all set up. My bad. Hang on, 2 seconds. 2 seconds. How you doing anyway, Ant-Man? Okay, no, she's not. She's buried herself. Yeah, keyboard makes things so much easier. The only issue is though my N key doesn't work. The one friggin' key. The whole key is fine. Everything's fine, except for N. And N gives me the old N gives me a good old fashioned N. N N N N N N N N N N N R N N N N N. So I have to use the controller to just hover over N. It's so annoying. Sorry. Yeah, she's buried herself in the pillow. Alright. Ba, 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 ba. The R key gives me R. Just good old fashioned R. And Avalon. Alright. Harren's Hut. Finish the game while avoiding N. I know, right? Oops. Horror. Horror. Oh, Raycat, thank you so much for subscribing on YouTube. God dang it. Ivo, welcome on in. No. Oh, Jesus. Thank you, Ivo. Doesn't really matter anyway, but thank you. Da, 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 da. There it is, we got the Turkish coin. Turkish coin is in there, which means we can now add Harun into the Hagler, add in the second Harun. I know, but I'll say Turkish coin. Not many people are going to say know what an axe is, but a Turkish coin sort of relates more to, I don't know, Harun. And then like the next so basically what this is, this coin is to be able to continue the Harun side quest. In each area will be another Harun hut. You have to give this item to Harun in order to progress with the side story. So you need to complete each Harun side quest to continue the Harun story. God dang it, Urglish. Ba, ba, ba. Yeah, wherever you go. Yeah, exactly. What else does he like? Original water. I know Vile Blue. Hey, Oddity. Some of these things would be so strange, so weird to random people. But that's perfect, that's the whole point. Mm-hmm. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Something else. Something else. Mm-mm. A book? Nope. Trying to think of other things that Harun just talks about sometimes. So he enjoys any zero drink. The non-AI prompt is still in the penalty box. Actually, I think he's on his way to Turkey. Yep. That. Nope. Thanks, Anjin, for the idea. I've got Turkish coin. Goes to number 2. Goes to number 3. Goes to number 4. And then the final one goes to number... Wait, sorry. Unlock it to go to number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. So we need one more. One more. To get to number 6. He follows a shit ton of 4 teams too. Must be great. Someone's always winning. I know, right? So wait, so... You give that to number 2. Give that to number 3. Give that to number 4. Give that to number 5. You give that to number 6. Oh yeah, no, we don't need that. Yeah, we don't need that. That's 5. Perfect. That's what we need. You never know where he is. Could be Turkey, could be Sweden, could be indeed. All right, layout of so we need Avalon. I wish I could change it from looking like this. Like, I don't want it to be grass. I wish it could be like... I wish you could change that, but I don't think you can. But oh well, it is what it is. Yeah, I'll have to have another key, I think. So just use her rinse hard key over and over again. Can I reuse the same item? No. That's okay. Where's the, oops. Where's the door? There. He could ask, are you playing OG Maker tomorrow? He could... could do. Alright, I have to create another character, because you can't reuse the same characters. I swear I have him as like a kid here. Oh, child. The Nadoi. Okay. Odds. He's a Turkish national living in Sweden. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's it. That's what he is. He lives in Turkey. I mean, he lives in Sweden, but is born in Turkey. Another Hoon's Hut. I know. Building, normal house. How big is this mansion? Yeah, we know he's currently studying 3 days a week, no, 2 days a week. No, 3 days a week, and works 2 days a week. Oopsie, alright. Jesus. Lordy Lord. Lord Marmalade, I'm new here and I know who you guys are talking about. Welcome on in, Marmalade, welcome on in. That's hilarious. Joe, how you doing? Gonna be in and out today. Have to figure out some bank stuff, and I was trying to do some guitar looping. Hope everyone's doing well, and the game is coming along very well too. It is coming well. It is definitely coming along well. I'm enjoying it. Hopefully everything goes well for you today as well. That's too many wells. Rain is getting a feature in your song, by the way. Psyched. Been talking to him about a collab. Oh wow. First time you typed on this chat, the dude asked me 10 different questions. Oh yes, yep, indeed. That is exactly. Yep. Alright. So basically we're going to be talking to the mayor. First thing we're going to do, point of call, we go visit the mayor's. The mayor, we're going to look at a new character. It's going to be Mayor Ertity. Dictator in the making. If I can even find something here that is maily like. Funny enough, that is somewhat maily like. That's sick. I like that. Yeah, I'll ask you the same questions again every time. I like that. I like that a lot, actually. Might be a creature of Turkish mythology, the one who speaks and speaks and speaks. It's almost like 10-second Tom from 50 First Dates. Even though you've told him, he'll ask you again, just in case you didn't hear him the first time. Alright, so I need to figure out something for Avalon. I think, yeah, so we'll create a event, standard event, visible Inquisitor Harun. This will just be Avalon. Intro. Just on auto. Okay, new one. Alright, on auto. Control. Message displayed from the hero. Here we are. I am here. Wait, no. So this is Avalon. Anything about the whereabouts? No. Maybe there's something. Maybe not anything. Anything won't work. Something. Maybe the mayor knows something about these champions. I'm thoroughly enjoying this Retro Jetson. Maybe not the people that are watching it, but I am thoroughly enjoying it. Right. And then new control, my property control. I am, yes. I'm using a keyboard where the letter N doesn't work. Modify the mode of Avalon intro to number 2. Alright, so that is now starting. Slot that in the corner. There is, I just have to move the cursor with the controller over it and use the controller to press the N button. It's annoying. Seems like a swell guy. Startery G. Things like this always surprise me when they came to console. Concept is great, with the console nature of it. Well, it's designed for a mouse. Yes, but I think this is more designed for... This never came to anything else but console, so it was... I guess it would have been designed with the console in mind. Oh yeah, and yes, save point. New save point here. You have your new laptop? Huzzah! Alright, so we have the new Harun here. Right, I start the new Harun quest line. So first things first, of course. It's going to be a display, but a control. Wait. I should be able to do it if I know what to do. So what we'll do is if you don't have it, it won't change. It won't ever change the mode. So the mode will always stay as mode 1, and it'll only say one thing. It will just be like next quest is never repeated when the next game spins. Turkish but live in Sweden. Hang on. And obviously got on the stream, but saw a lot of Harun discussion, but no Harun. No, we're just talking about Harun. This is nothing crazy. I'm pretty sure he's on his way to Turkey, so he won't be here. I hope Harun is the final boss in the game. No, unfortunately. We can play the new Metal Gear Solid 3 remake on Ultra. Oh wow, fantastic. And that's it. That's it. That's all he'll say. And it's just like, I would love that to be the thing. And that's it. They won't do anything else but that. And anyone would be so confused, like, why is this guy even here? And then what happens now, it will go to here, because this runs on automatic. So this one's automatic. The moment you enter Avalon for the first time, this activates, so I can control some things from here. So damn, hang on. No, okay, all good. Get rid of this one. I'll create a second one. All good. Called a Harun event. No, you just need to move. That's exactly what I'm doing though. So I have to create a new Harun for every event. Are you making a game about how you're completing every PS2 game? No, I'm creating a RPG where you have to get a piece of key from all the PS2 challenge runners to unlock a door to defeat an enemy which is trying to break through. Auto. With treasure item. A Turkish coin. Trolley control. Modified mode. Of Harun. Oh, hang on, which Harun? Harun. I'll soon be this Harun. Mode 2. I had Turkish. Right. And then we change the mode of this. Oops. Modify the mode of Harun event to 2, so it will never happen again.
Barbie on the weekend, you know.
Oh, Sephiroths.
Put some singers on the Barbie. Oh, you never know what's gonna happen, eh?
Sun's fucking hot. Sweating me nuts off.
I'll tell you what.
I tell you what. Now, talk to him now, and he goes, Da-da-da. Nobody here drinks Foster's. Do people even? I don't think. Yeah, I understand the whole Foster's in Australia thing. Yes, don't believe anything. Like the whole Foster's thing, even The Simpsons. No idea. No idea where that came from. I played the one Simpsons episode, 100%. I love Coke too much. Oh, it's so easy. I have to personally force myself to I have to force myself to not drink it. It's really not really hard, and I know it's bad for me. I know it's bad for me. But it tastes so good. What am I supposed to do? Oh, Dadson. Tell me this is true. Ready? Glass Coke is the best Coke you could ever have. I yeah, it was a Family Guy episode where it's Stewie's doing something and then Lois in the background goes, kids, brownies are ready. And then Stewie's like, oh, hang on, I gotta go. It's brownie day. And he runs down there and she eats all the brownies like, oh god, what have I done? And so he just ate all the brownies. So I love brownie day. That's me with glass Coke. If I get glass Coke, they're gone. They just go down. I don't know what it is. And they taste immaculate. It's like the best tasting thing ever. The drink, obviously. Never cared for Coke or Pepsi. Oh no. Now, what could be this Huron's riddle? The drink, obviously. Yeah. I mean, deep in the mines. Galangadan, welcome on in. Deep in the mines where light is void. It's the only way I can try and get like a riddle thing out to try and complete like a quest line. I'm not making it easy because at the end of the quest line, it is the ultimate weapon in the game, strongest weapon. It hit nines for everything, like the strongest weapon in the game. So I'm making it not like a hard side quest. Hunkarino, I sort of put EverQuest on hold. I was getting absolutely tired of that game. I don't know, it was just frustrating the hell out of me. What is this? Oh, I see. It's paste. Okay. Those who see the key must answer me three. What is your quest? What is your name? What is your favorite football team? That's so good. Well, no, I have to basically guide the player to the next thing. So, this next item that he's going to want is in the mines. We have to go anyway. We have to go a different way into the mines to go down instead of going... How is this game? Oh, it's fantastic. I'm really enjoying it. Having a lot of fun with this. No end to see. Fish. Oh, never mind. What rhymes with void that I could work for this? Deep in the mines where light is void, an endless hall. An endless hall. Steroid. Thanks, Dadson. Did you end up enjoying? I did enjoy it actually, Stuttery. It was quite funny. An endless hall. See if ChatGPT can help me into it. Does this make sense? No, okay. Never mind. Graboid, Globoid. An advert. Okay. With no way outside. Light is void. See the mines where light is void, an endless hall with no way outside. Hemorrhoid. Unalloyed. Aluminoid. Full of void. Alice Hall with hemorrhoids. Outside, like a New Jersey accent. Where you going? Man, I'm going outside. What are you talking about? Going outside. Destroyed. An endless hall. Which is nearly destroyed. A single door you must find. Regularly destroyed. A single door you must find. What is the next item? What did I make? What was the items that I made? It was... I could just get the water. No. That's a different item. I could create a new item. They're the key items. Ignore the key items. Everyone's house key. Cheers. So I have to think of something that he wants right now. A single door you must open. Inside. Alright, that's better. Deep in the mines where light is void, endless hall which is nearly destroyed. A single door you must open, inside lies but a single token. No, I'm not RPGs. Think about the heroes need to jack off. Jesus. Actually, my bad. I was meant to do... Sorry, end of work weekend is my kid-free weekend. I'm not being a real adult. Boobies. Right, That will be me when the girlfriend comes to bed in the morning after work. Ha ha ha, a booies. What do you mean? Silence, I'm the one who asked the questions. I don't know why I just turned a bit German, but anyway. God damn this end key. Alright, then we do that. That's that done, and then we can save that, add a new mode. The run hive mind, all extended to the singular cosmic being. Yes. The Harunity. Just got a call from Chandra Gupta. He wanted to fix my computer. Oh. Control. Nope. Probably control. Modify mode of Harun to mode 3. Alright, so now we're going to create a new item. So I have no idea, Mr. Tophead. You guys are all only here for Harun, so you wouldn't even be following me. Harun's what keeps this channel together. With treasure item, set property control, increase, modify internal variable for this Harun. Variable 1 to be 1. No, you tit. Speedgat. I mean, yeah. Technically it's a game because you're making a game within the game. My playthrough of this game will be me creating the game and then playing through the game that I created. Alright, so now display, nope, control. To internal variables. So it's 2 games, yeah. Yeah, sure. Use the emulator, I'm guessing. No. I am using my console right here. With the keyboard plugged into my console right here. Woo! Console, keyboard, here. RPG Maker 3. Right here. Not an emulator. It's all saving on my memory card. It's all internal, all done. Yeah. The only issue is this keyboard does not... Look, I'll show you. Everyone can see whether I'm not lying. Here is the N key. We'll put the light on for this so you can see. All see. Hang on. There we go. Here is the N key. Now look on the screen. So we got V, B, so V, B, M, and N. N, 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 N. I just fucking just... What is this? What is this? God dang it. Anyway. Anyway. Okay. I think the keyboard, either the keyboard's broken or something's wrong, I don't know, but I just have to use the controller to friggin' press N. Hooray! That is my life. So every N you see in this game is an N I had to press in my freaking controller instead of my keyboard. Tell me about it. Alright, what would everyone say? Friendly speaking. I wouldn't. It would hurt me. It would hurt me physically. Got the token. Party control. Remove. Lose the treasure. Treasure is the token. Token. Lose a token. Give her the token. Persora. And then I have to... I don't know if you can reuse items in this game. Nope. So I'm gonna have to create another item. Alright, Herons, Avalon, Avalon. Sure, Stuttery, I'm glad too. This is me from the future saying I finished Unlimited Saga. I don't know if it'll be next year or this year. We'll see. I'm gonna try my best to finish the game this year. Unlimited Saga. I'm trying my best. Alright, that's Harun's thing done and finished. Fantastico. Hopefully, Harun's hotkey, easy peasy. Alright, so. Let's go to story settings. Right, start. Let's see if this will work. Ready? Alright, so. In Avalon. So this is Avalon. The man knows something about those champions. That's what happens the first time when you enter, when you come in from the balloon. And then, if I talk to Harun, he should not give me anything because I haven't got any item. So you should just say, I'm Turkish but I live in Sweden. Do you like spinning wheels? Wait, why is he talking to me then? That's not right. Hold up. He shouldn't be speaking to me because I don't have the item. Really? Does that not work? So I just turn this off for a second. If it says that my coin is glistening, then it's not doing what I want it to do. It's not, it doesn't say it. So that's correct. Is it true there are quest givers in the remote outback in Australia? Well, obviously. Don't you guys have quest givers in the middle of nowhere? No, that is correct. No, that is correct. My sincerest of apologies. I'm a dum-dum. I wrote it. I'm a dum-dum. Me stupid dum-dum. I'm a dum-dum. He is meant to talk to me and ask me about spinning wheels. Because he's dumb. Alright, in we go. Just not going to say my coin is glistening, because it's not. I'll reward you with this boomerang if you catch 5 emus. Good luck catching 1 emu. He's flying to Turkey. I'm Turkish, but I live in Sweden. Do you like spinning wheels? Yes. Me too. When is the next spin? I'm Turkish, but I live in Sweden. No. Oh, well, I'll take Persona on next spin. Now, can I add precious items setting? Can I add the Turkish coin? Your Turkish coin starts to glisten. I like Fenerbah. Is that my coin? Well, I did get it from your hut. How did you get here before me? What do you mean? I've always been here. Can you give me another item? Yes. Great. Well, I cannot let you into my hut. I would like something first. Deep in the mines where light is void, an endless hall which is nearly destroyed. A single door you must open. Inside lies but a single token. I would like this token, please. I like Big Macs. Oh, it's you. Do you have my token yet? I like Big Macs. Oh, it's you. I got the token. Have you taken the dog outside? Oh, it's you again. Oh, you got the token? You gave her the token. Here is the key to my hut. You received Harun's hut key. Huzzah! Huzzah! This story works fine. Fantastic. FIFA 2003 at the end. Okay, now I've finished this part of Harun's thing. I can actually start working on the actual main story. bum, 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 bum. Got the mayor's house. I forgot there was another story. No worries, all towels. Thanks for popping in, though. Hopefully, you having a good day. No worries at all. Can you copy and paste things like character interactions? What do you mean exactly, Renfu? 'Want to repeat this with a Harun in a different location? Nope, I have to create a whole new Harun, a whole new hut. And you're only limited to 100 characters in total, so yeah. Alright. Is that a camo ninja? That's hilarious. His name John Cena. Do 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 do. Da, 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 da. Where's the entrance to the inn? Ah, there, I see it. Alright, so I think that should be just an inn, no general store. The general store can be in the town towards the east. Layout editor of the mayor's house, which we already have. Monsieur Urtity, Mayor Urtity. Here we are. Now I've got to figure out the story. Okay, so because it's a main thing, I will. This is. "50 minutes ago." Nice. Alright, I will create a storyteller with the mayor. Avalon Mayor. Ba, 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 ba. Alright. Change the background. Still dungeon. It's indoors. That's cool. That's so cool. Right. A hell minion. Okay. Anyway. Aha, perfect, there we go. Alright, perfect. We've got the background. Oops. I like that. Alright, message, here we go. Oh, here we go. Boo, boo, boo. Did I really did I call them champions? Ba, 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 ba. Cities and calls have it across the world until 6 champions. Oh, yeah, champions, yes, I did. Ah, my bad. From a design standpoint, RPG Maker actually didn't make a whole lot of sense being on PS2 just through the difficulty in redistributing a game you made. 100%. Which is why I'm hoping to, again, take the memory card, get one of those adapters that I can take the save file off and put it onto the computer, and then I can upload the save file somewhere. So I want to be able to share this with anyone who wants to play it. Because I want to try and make something like a big RPG, so I can share it with other PS2 challenge runners to play this if they want to, or anyone that can play it as well if they wish. But I mean, back then I 100% get it, unless you and your friend bought it and then you gave each other memory cards. Someone said it in my chat that they that them and their friend used to always make RPGs for each other. So they would that sounds like such a cool thing that would happen. Like, you just take your memory card over to your friend's house, and then you can just play your RPG. That sounds like such a cool idea. How can I assist you? Do the old-fashioned way, send the memory card to a person. Oh man, that would take forever. Then it gets lost, and I don't know. There's no point. I mean, I would do that. I literally bought a new memory card today. Another one. Add to my pile of memory cards, which is... currently this stack now. They're my memory cards I got so far. Got a few. Got a couple. Nice, nice indeed. Alright, are you familiar with the story of the 6 champions? I think the original intention was it to work with the PS2 hard drive and network add-on. Yeah, I mean, there is an option here to save the data to a hard drive so it loads faster, so you can do it like that. But I mean, the loading thing doesn't take that long at all. It takes like half a second or a second. It's not like it's anything too crazy. It's all on the disc anyway. Story of the 6 champions of that. Nothing but a story. Just nothing but a story, boy. Mm-mm-mm. Tis nothing but a story. Wait, what's the word for like if you have like a worrying face, like the king was like almost in shock. No, the king was ba. There's an absolute limit on how large a game you can make on the PS2 to begin with, though. All of those scripts and text to add up over time, and the PS2 memory card back in the day were 8 megabytes. That means if you have a single memory card, you have to be able to fit the scripts, text, position, bootings, and have enough room to save the game. I know. It's I think it's saying it has takes 3 megabytes of data. So 2,000, yeah, almost 3 megabytes of data, which is huge. But they give you there is a limit, yes. But I'm gonna try and figure if I can just fit the limit in, I suppose. Just max it out. The 300, like the empty space, once your scripts, yeah, there is a percentage. I haven't even seen what the percentage looks like yet. Hang on. Pump, save. Because when I started, it was 13.8%. Imagine that, 3,000 megabytes. Perfect, 3 gigabyte card. That's exactly what you need. Save every game on there, no worries at all. So now if I go to load it, how big do you think it will be? 15%? 16.2. Okay, so I added a whole new area, had another dungeon, added another town. That didn't really add too much. I should be okay with this. Game's come along well, Callum. Welcome on in. Just doing some storytelling. Right. Did you know during the date of the 60 megabyte storage chips were similarly passed to 8 megabyte ones, and in theory that's only picked 8 megabyte because they had already made 15 billion of them. Yeah, I mean, I have. It's not an official one, of course, but I have a 128 megabyte card, and the only 16 megabyte ones I have are like the old Playmax ones. If it wants to focus. Come on, focus. There we are. Playmax, 16 megabyte. And then the other one. But the reason they probably had so many of them is because there was a shortage. They ran out of memory cards early on in the PS2's life cycle. Completely ran out. No memory cards whatsoever. And they must have mass made them. So many of them. That's possibly you can't miss it. Is it possible to share RPG when you made it? I am 100% going to try and get myself an adapter that connects the memory cards to the console, to the PC. So I can upload the save file to somewhere, and then anyone can download the save file and play the game. I want to be able to share it with everyone. Oopsie. Cool, so that's done. Hello, are you the mayor of Avalon? Welcome on in, adventurer. I am Mayor Oddity. How can I help you? Are you familiar with the story of the 6 champions that locked a powerful being behind an unbreakable door many years ago? What? How do you... Ha! That old children's tale. There's nothing but a story, boy. I don't have time to waste. If you have nothing else to speak to me about, then run along. King Gupta of Chandra sent me here to search for these champions. Said I should start in Majesko. Gupta? He told you? Oh, this cannot be good. The king looked scared when he told me, so I need to know. Do you know of these champions? Well, I'm not supposed to say, but if this is coming from the king himself... Okay, I know of one, but they've exiled themselves in an area past the Midas Mines. You need to go through the Atlas Pass to reach them, though. Head north once you're out of town, you can't miss it. Midas Mines, Atlas Pass. Okay, thank you, sir. Good luck to you, boy. Boy. Nice. Perfect, so that's created. Avalon. Mayor's house. Alright, so new. Avalon Mayor. And then property control, modify the mode of... How long did it take you to learn the tools? Not too long really. But I basically had to like figure it all out myself. There's not real, like there's paperwork on it, but it's not really extensive. But it hasn't taken too much. It's fairly straightforward, but I don't know, some of them does look a bit confusing, but it's fine. I'll yeah, slowly working it out. The biggest I've seen is a 250 card. The biggest one I've seen, memory card wise, is whatever micro SD card you want to put into it. There's one you can buy where you put a micro SD card into it, so you can have like a 128GB card if you wanted to, which is insane. It's a custom made one and it's super efficient, and you just put whatever SD card you want into it, or micro SD card into it, and it works just like a normal everyday memory card. And then you just take the SD card out and put it into the computer, and there's all the save files and stuff like that. Okay, that's the story done there. Now, with the layout dungeon, I need to go to the Atlas Pass. The first Atlas Pass. Alright, so this is the Atlas Pass. We have to go through the Atlas Pass, but you can't go through because this person here is not letting you. Alright. Ow. I goddamn hate summer so much. I love winter. I know summer's coming and I'm not looking forward to it at all. Oh, hang on. Hold up. Just so you know, I thought you were asleep when you snorted. Sorry. Sorry. Imagine that. Actually, you know the Twitch emote? Resident Sleeper? I was in that stream when that happened. That was hilarious. Winter's coming here soon. Finally, all the bugs shove off for 6 months. These games are long. How many are on PS2? Yeah, this is just an RPG Maker. Every John, thank you so much for the raid. No worries at all, Mr. Top Hat. You have a good night, good day, good night at work. See you next time. How you doing anyway? Hess returning. Welcome on in. And Red Blue Jay. And Every John. I'm playing Dark Void on PC. I've heard of Dark Void. I've seen the PS3. Actually, do I even have Dark Void? Dark Souls, Dark Siders, Dead Island. No, I don't have it. Very interesting game. Aliens and jetpacks. Nice. This path is... due to the monster. So I want him to put him here. So once you press into it, you come back to here, and then I can say movement. Yeah. So and that's it. And that's it. Had a new one. That's fine. So you're just touching it. To the event code, that's perfect. Better than yeah, 100%. And as I said before to other people, I'm going to try my best to get this game get this game shared online, so I can anyone can play this if they either have a copy of this or emulator or whatever. They can download the save file and just play it. I look forward to that. Having people play through the game. Alright, so that's just him saying hold to can't go past. Right, and then if you talk to him, sorry, the pass is closed. Oops. No entry without. No entry without a miners. Miners card. Please turn back. Alright, without a minus card, easy. I do, yes. I have Destroy All Humans too. I've actually got a couple more oops, Japanese games here now. So the Japanese list is starting to get a bit bigger, a bit bigger. Oops. Oh yeah, sorry, yeah, it starts from here and it goes all the way around there. And then I got other stuff over here if I want it. Yeah. Almost actually I have over 2,000 PS2 games if I include like the the platinum copies because I'm going for like a full platinum set too. But yeah. Alright, so you can't go past. That's fine. So that's that. That's that organised. That's fine. Okay, cool. So now I need. So you can't go through the pass because the pass is closed due to the monsters seeping out of the mine. So that's why everyone left the mine. So we'll look at the Majesco field. Alright. Call of Duty final game on PS2. Call of Duty World War Final Fronts was very late, very late. Yeah, I got that. It's a shame it doesn't have the zombies mode. Okay, we're making PS2 games. Yeah. Okay, so this is the area where I'm gonna have to put in a whole bunch of stuff. But you can't go through the pass because you need the miner's card because it's a mine, and the only people that can get through it are miners. So you need to basically visit this town down here. And PlayStation 2 is the greatest after all. Exactly. Exactly. So I need a new town. Perfect. I have every Indian exclusive except for like 1 or 2. So I got every Indian game. I just need World Quiz and Buzz the Maha quiz. But apart from that, I got everything. They got the Don 2 of the game, they got Chandragupta, they got Ra 1, which is not here, it's over there. But yeah, I got quite a few. Okay, we need to name this town. Let's look at developers. I don't want him to claim. That's weird. It's one good, yeah. Hanuman Boy Warrior, yeah. Hanuman. Oh, Fahrenheit. Quantic. No, that sounds weird for a town. Falling Stars. I like that. I like that indeed. It's a weird name for a developer, but I'll do it. Ivolgamus. Love it. Ivolgamus. Never heard of Ivolgamus. I've tried this game though. It's called Falling Stars. Koos has more games than me, but I think I have more than PS2 or Die. Ivolgamus can be a peaceful town. Cool. I don't want it to be a closed off town. I know, right? It's like one of those weird looking. It came out in 2007, so I don't know. Don't. Curious has more games than Psyched. Yeah, I got more rarer ones, I suppose. Yeah. Yeah, this is weird. I played it for a little bit, but I'll look forward to getting around to this again at some stage. But this is a fun game. Not many people know about it. Well, they do, but it's a Fallout game on PS2. Good Fallout. Actually, hold up. Light. Fallout Brotherhood of Steel. Come on. There you go. Fallout Brotherhood of Steel. This game is great. As you know, it's pretty. Yeah, it's alright. It's okay. It uses the same. It uses the same engine as Baldur's Gate Dark Alliance, but the final boss was the most insane thing I've ever had to deal with. Ugh, it was horrible. And the credits song was hilarious. The credits song for that is People Equal Shit by Slipknot. Like, I didn't expect that to happen. People Equal Shit by Slipknot is the credit song for that game. Insane final boss. I've never used so much ammo on a boss, man. Like, if you rewatch the final episode of that and see what happened to it, Jesus. Alright, so that's Ivor Garmus. You know, stuff you think of when you think Fallout. Yeah, the Chandragupta was only released in India, yeah. Chandragupta. Alright, so that is Ivor Garmus. So Ivor Garmus is where we will meet our second ally for this game. Yeah, Indian. I'll show you a couple. I'll show you a couple. So here's a couple. There's Ra1 the game. Ra1. Made. That there says made in India. Made in India. And then I played this. It is not too bad of a game. Not the worst game. It's not the greatest game. But I did play through it. Yeah, so it's based on a movie, I'm pretty sure. Or a TV show. One of the two. Card King, sorry. This one says... where is it? Should be for sale. Yeah, for sale in India only. And this one was made in like freaking 2011 as well. Yeah, 2011 that was released. I think this had a UK version released of it though. Desiata Games of India. Oopsie, because it doesn't say made in India. It just says like it just yeah. And the last one that I've grabbed is the most interesting. Are you making spheres and objects a part of your completion? No, I'm not going to do that. My goodness, Retro Jadson. Is this? This is expensive now. Quite expensive. This is the Medical and Engineering Joint Entrance Quiz. This is a quiz that you would take in India of preparing you for your engineering and medical joint entrance exam. Like if you want to get into the field of medical and stuff like that, you can take this to help you get into it. Yep. This is like a actually, what's the last price of this game now? Medical and Engineering PS2. Damn, it's almost $1,000. Yeah, about $1,000 this game is now. God damn. I'm gonna get a medical degree for this. I know, right? But I'm learning. Alright, Ivor-Gamas. Alright, we're in Ivor-Gamas, so we need some sort of like building. That's 1,000 kangaroo bucks, indeed. $1,000 dues. That's a reasonable 485-ish of the king's finest pound sterling. Right. I mean, I could just call this Elder Scrolls 6 every time if I wanted to. Then I'd get sued by friggin' get sued by Bethesda. I'd allow me to die inside. Yeah, I know, it is what it is. Trying to think of who I should call, of who gets to be the other playable characters in this game. £100 a month, that's ridiculous. That is re-donkey donks. That's so expensive. But 8 gigabits per second symmetric fiber is so fast. The internet in Australia is abysmal. Unless I name them after like characters in PS2 games, like popular characters in PS2 games. So like, trying to think who the first character would be. I think it might be like a sort of like a great like. Dang it! Who uses a great sword? Hold up, I know what to do. I'll go back. Just delete it. Classes. Great sword. So only a knight can use it. There's literally only artwork I can use. Caleb Final Boss enemies needs to be on ground 2. If you have, so you can have side quests. No, so in this game, Retro Judson, I've already got all the champions in this game. I'll quickly show you the champions in this game that you need to look for. That people, oh, god dang it, that you gotta look for. So you're looking for these 6 champions. Kus, PS2 or Die, Brodus, A-Rock, Elmaster, and me. We are the 6 that are holding a piece of the key. You must find us, and basically we have to give you the key, piece of the key, take it to a specific place to reforge the key, and then, yeah, what I might actually do though, Dadson, because I was thinking, because so what I'll do, because you are a I'm pretty sure Elmaster is a PS2 challenge runner, but I think they also play other stuff. Yeah, so they don't just specifically play PS2 games, where I know you do. So yes, Dadson is there. Perfect. Anyway, we are meeting someone new who is a great sword, has a great sword. We'll just call it a knight, I suppose. Like a knight class. Da da. HP starts around 330. HP goes up 20 per Theo. 10. Strength goes up a bit more per level. You're realizing how bad some PS3 games actually are naturally, naming no names, but man, X2 Wolverine's Revenge was a tough one to get through. That was a hard game to get through. I did it though. I did it. I'll worry about the special skills later. Last boss was so yeah. Fuck. I had that was where I had most of my trouble. Was the final boss and final areas were just horrible. Just crap. Alright, so I need to have a character now. Oh, I've caught that. Yes. This game has it all. I got stuck with that game at a rental once, don't know how I beat it. What a slog. Compared to White Van Racer, White Van Racer is horrible. I had to cheaply beat that game because it doesn't really allow you to do it any other way. Yeah, screw it. That works. Oh, Realm of the Dead. Mate. Good luck, Retro Dadson, with Realm of the Dead. Oh, that game was so bad. That was horrible. Please go ahead and revisit my horrible attempt at that game. There are probably too many. I haven't done a single Garfield game yet, no. First one is Chore Simulator, Jesus. Alright. As much as I absolutely love this game, I would completely keep playing it forever. It is getting 5 minutes to 2 in the morning. I need to unfortunately end the stream. Right, so as always, thank you all so much for watching. I'll have to end the YouTube stream first, of course, so everyone watching on YouTube, Joe, I think Ivo's still here. Ivo, thank you so much. Have a good night. Have a good day. And I'll see you all tomorrow for, you know, good old fashioned Unlimited Saga. So yes, I'll end the YouTube stream first. I'll see you all guys tomorrow, and yeah, I'll catch you then. And of course, everyone on Twitch, thank you, Dadson.